have an overall structure. Some are arranged chronologically, others are spatially. Texts also have topic sentences and units of support that constitute the body, and these topic sentences and units of support need to be ordered logically in a way that's appropriate to the text aim. Furthermore, it also shows the opinion of its writers, whether subjective or objective. There are actually many different patterns of development. These patterns, referred to academically as rhetorical modes, mirror the ways in which humans think about the world and organize their thoughts in order to communicate. When beginning to write, it is helpful to determine the patterns of development that are most effective for your purpose and audience. Here are the different patterns of development commonly used.
Number 1. Narration. Narration tells a story. It relates an incident or a series of events that leads to a conclusion or ending. It tells the readers when, where, and what happened. A narrative paragraph contains action verbs and transition words that indicate time or sequence. This pattern of development is commonly used in stories. Number 2. Description. Description gives information of what a person, an object, a place, or a situation is like. It appeals to the reader's senses. It makes the reader see, hear, taste, smell, or feel the subject. A descriptive paragraph has concrete and specific details which are carefully chosen by a writer to paint a picture in the mind of the reader. Literary analysis, descriptive essays, business plans, lab reports, and research papers are some examples of writing genres that use descriptive paragraphs. Number 3. Definition. Definition moves beyond a dictionary definition to deeply examine a word or concept as you actually use and understand it. Definition explains a concept, term, or subject. Its main purpose is to tell what something is. Number 4. Comparison and contrast. To compare and contrast persons, things, places, events, situations, or ideas is to show how they are alike and different. You need to identify the points of comparison and differences, then make a list of similar and different characteristics or qualities for each point of comparison and contrast. The goal of comparison and contrast is generally to show that one item is superior to another, based on a set of evaluations included as part of the writing. Number 5. Problem solving. A problem solving in general is an unsatisfactory situation that causes troubles or difficulties. Therefore, it needs a solution, a way to deal with the situation so that the troubles or difficulties are removed. This pattern is used to deal with topics that pose problems and present solutions in a logical manner. Number 6. Persuasion. This intends to convince readers to do or believe in something. Many writing genres such as critiques or reviews, reaction papers, editorials, proposals, advertisements, and brochures make strong use of persuasive paragraphs to state opinions and to influence others. You can use strong evidence such as facts and statistics, statements of expert authorities, and research findings to create impact and establish credibility. Readers will more likely be convinced to side with your position or agree with your opinion if it is backed up by verifiable evidence.
Even if you are not directly asked to apply a specific writing pattern, you may want to use one to help you develop and organize your insights. The patterns noted above are very common in academic as well as everyday thinking and writing. Thank you so much and have a great day.